your gun, Jerry. Come on, no.
Cuando fuimos en enero, me quitaba yo el guante nomás para rascarme la cara y ya sentía yo. Fuimos en enero, me quitaba yo el guante nomás para rascarme la cara y ya sentía yo. Ya no me pegaban.
Oh dear.
Are you kidding me?
Is that maybe my dad muted him? It is disturbed. The sound of silence on 97.9 here.
Crap.
Are you kidding me?
Don't. What the? Oh my God! What the is wrong with you? Are you fucking kidding me? What the hell?
Oh my God.
In 1/4 mile, turn right.
Oh my God.
tire barely popped up, and then
Oh, it's a new car, too.
Jesus Christ.
You are now the President of the United States. The Designated Survivor series premiere tonight at 10 on ABC 7.
This report is brought to you by your friends at 76. Those are the 50s and 60s and 80s. 76 invites you to experience a long cut. What's a long cut? It's just like a shortcut, except it's the total opposite. And how do you take a long cut? By filling up with top-tier gas from 76, then hitting the road. Take
Desígnios decorados começamos o lançamento do plano da Icone, na Rua Pará, 210. O Aberto Icone, engenharia da natureza.
Atualizada todos os anos para combater as mutações do vírus. Aqui na Federmac você encontra a versão mais atual da vacina quadrivalente da gripe, que diminui drasticamente as chances de complicações em quadros virais.
What the actual? What the hell? Oh my freaking god.